I'm in my fucking feels right now.
Impossible things. If you believe that it grows from seed, the beautiful tree.
Shout out to everyone who came. You know we gotta stay fresh.
Don't do this fucking whatever.
Fucking out of here.